Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, it's going to be the last installment of the California kitchen makeover projects. So this project is going to be a short and sweet one because I didn't get to finish it. I did get to paint one countertop, but I did not have time to do the rest of them because my parents literally had nowhere to put all the rest of their stuff. So it's an incomplete project, but I figured I might as well share it with you because I did end up doing one countertop and I ran into issues that hopefully I can save you guys from making the same mistakes that I did. Because you know, on my channel, I keep it real and I share with you the triumphs and the tribulations. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the paint that I used for the countertops is a special paint made by Rust-Oleum, the specific one that I used anyway. It's countertop paint and it's tintable to a variety of different colors. I did not get a shot of it, you know, in the can for you to see. I will link it down in the description for you to check out for yourself. It's a good product, but it's not like normal paint. It's very thick and very sticky, so be prepared for that when you use it, because I was not, but it does go on pretty nicely. All 3 coats were painted on, we let it dry based on the directions on the can. And then came my favorite part of this project, and of any project that you get to use tape with. It is the tape peeling compilation. So satisfying, so beautiful. You're welcome. But like any good project where you're simply rushed for time and you don't have enough time to, you know, properly do it, comes the trials of the project. Now, when I was taping this off, I could not find the thick banded painter's tape or masking tape to use, so I ended up doing 2 strips of just the, I think, 1-inch painter's tape. And that was not a good idea because when I did the 2 strips, I thought I had overlapped them enough, but apparently I didn't, and a line of paint got on the brand new refinished cabinets. sad thing that happened was I couldn't leave well enough alone, and there was a little blip or a little drop of just where I applied too much paint, and you know,
I'm gonna touch it,
leading to even more globby and a fingerprint, my fingerprint, in the surface of the counter. Now, usually when stuff goes wrong, it's not a big deal because I will overcome it and I will just, you know, take a moment, regroup, and, you know, fix it. But in this case, we were flying out that night, so I didn't have time to fix this. So it's probably still unresolved. I will probably be fixing it when I go back, but obviously that's going to be a long time because they live in California and I live on the East Coast. So it's going to be a while. But you just do not understand how much it eats at my soul to have that project not finished. My parents will also be painting the rest of the countertops. I just did not have enough time to finish everything before we left on our flight. But after the countertop is fully dry, after 24 hours, you're gonna wanna seal it with a polyurethane top coat or any top coat product of your choice. We went ahead and used the polyacrylic water-based product that we had already used on the cabinets. So after sealing it, this is what it looks like all finished. So much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it enlightens you on how to paint your own laminate countertops if you have them. Overall, the project went pretty well, aside from ruining my brand new made over cabinets. But apart from those minor mishaps, they turned out really nice, and I really like the white countertops. Much better with the backsplash that we picked out, as well as the new refinished cabinets that we did. Also, if you guys notice, I am not at my house. I am actually out of town right now. My husband is starting his job, so I'm just here for emotional support. But anyway, I will let you guys go. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, bye guys!